Hello everyone. This video will explain to you what is Tbb reactive power compensation device on high voltage pole. Power factor is an important indicator of power quality. In recent years, with the rapid development of the national economy, the power industry has also ushered in rapid development. Power grid construction is particularly outstanding. However, the sharp increase in electrical load, resulting in a large amount of reactive power in the power grid. This will not only increase the wiring and power loss of equipment such as transformers, and in severe cases, it will cause voltage fluctuations, affect voltage quality. Reactive power compensation device on high voltage pole, which can improve power quality very well. It is widely used on 10 kV or 6 kV overhead distribution lines. It can also be used in industrial production, power equipment and other occasions. Equipment adopts integrated structural design. It has good thermal insulation, waterproof and anti-corrosion properties. The maximum capacity of the equipment is 1,200 kilowatts. Capacitors can be divided into up to 3 groups of capacity, and we are free to choose. It mainly installed on overhead line poles. It has the characteristics of small size, simple installation, and convenient maintenance. It is mainly composed of intelligent reactive power compensation controller, current sampling sensor, power supply PT high voltage vacuum contactor, high voltage vacuum contactors, and high voltage parallel capacitors. Next, let's take a look at the characteristics of these main components. First, the intelligent reactive power compensation controller can control the switching of 1 to 3 groups of capacitors with voltage reactive shape, voltage time type, target voltage type, and time control type. The above 4 control methods can be freely selected. Current sampling sensor, mainly used for collecting line current. It adopts high voltage resistant ceramic packaging and has the characteristics of overall passive and lossless. It has strong anti-interference and lightning protection ability, mainly installed on the power side of the T connection. Power PT, mainly used to provide control power and sampling voltage to equipment. It has the characteristics of small size and high precision. Secondly, high voltage vacuum contactors use capacitor-specific head cuts. The switch adopts an electromagnetic holding structure. The switch action is flexible and reliable, and the operating life can reach 100,000 times. High voltage shunt capacitor adopts an all-film dielectric, built-in protective core and discharge resistor. After the device is powered off, the capacitors can reduce the peak voltage to below 50 volts within 5 minutes. The above is the introduction of the composition of the product. High-quality core components ensure the reliability and stability of the equipment. Reactive power compensation device on high voltage column can improve the line power factor very well. It can reduce reactive loss, stabilize system voltage, and improve equipment operating efficiency. It has the characteristics of low investment, fast effect and long life, and it is the first choice for optimizing the operation of power systems. The above is the relevant content of the reactive power compensation device on the high voltage column. Next video, we will explain the functions of each component of the column-mounted reactive power compensation device and installation precautions. See you next time.